Well, the sun gray, we gon' shine. Let's bounty party. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing like a hair tutorial, sort of. Someone left me a comment, and I'll put the comment here, wanting to know how I tie up my hair. I typically tie my hair up like this with a scarf, and I have my scarf here, so I decided to, before I get fully dressed, to go ahead and record this video. I am Glasshouse Maya, you know nobody flyer. I do fashion, I do vlogs, I do hair, well, my hair. I don't do other people's hair. But yeah, I do all of the things. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, keep watching and consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on your bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload more videos. So again, this is a short video, just a tutorial of how I tie up my hair. So I have already kind of a little bit done my edges, and as you can see, the back of my hair, the front of my hair, okay, hopefully you've seen that, is not retwisted. So I don't like to do this style on a fresh retwist because my hair is normally straight, and I don't do this style while my hair is straight. I do it on a braid out. It gives me more volume. This is an old braid out that I took out last week, and it's kind of straight, but it still has like the waviness to it. Okay, so it doesn't have to be on fresh hair. Okay, your edges ain't even got to be done. Just do it, you know, slick them back, pull it into a ponytail. But I'm gonna start from the beginning so that you can fully see what I'm doing. So what I have here is a big, large scrunchie. Okay, I have to have a large one. I've been locked for 3 years, so my hair has gotten longer. And this works for like medium length hair. This is how long my hair is, okay? And some of them are longer than others. So this is how long it is. So what you want to do is just push your hair to the front like this. All of your hair. Alright? No matter what length it is, just make sure you can at least be able to put it up in a ponytail. So just push it all to the front. And I'm going to wrap this around her. It doesn't have to be tight. Just do it loosely. So I put mine in the center of my head. See how it's in the center? And that way it hangs to the side. You can move it more to the side if that's where you want it. And it's not tight. So don't worry about trying to make it like slick and tight. So again, that's how it looks in the back. In the back, you're not even going to see. So that's how I got it. So it's not all the way in the front of my head, but kind of in the center. So I know when it lays, this part is going to kind of come up a little bit. So the scarf I'm using. The scarf I'm using is more of a longer scarf. It's not one of those square rectangular scarves. These scarves came from Amazon. If I find it, I'll link it down below for you all. But it's just it's wider than this too. I just got it folded. I got it folded to about where the width of the back of my head is to where this ponytail is at the top. Hopefully you can see that. So you want to fold it to about that width. I'd say that's maybe, I don't know, 10 to 12 inches. Now this don't work well. This hair, this tutorial, whatever, okay? This doesn't work well with those silky or satin scarves. So this material is kind of like I don't know, kind of like a soft cotton feel, but it's very see-through and light. As you can see, you can kind of like see right through it. So anyways, let's get to it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, you got your ponytail. You're gonna take your scarf and you're gonna put it behind your head, on your head, just like this. Okay, I cover my ears when I tie it so I can get a tighter tie. But you see how it's like right where my ponytail is, and this is how it looks in the back. Okay, so you're gonna tie it under your hair. You're not going to tie it over. You're going to tie it under your hair. You're going to just, hopefully you can see me. Let me get closer. You're just going to tie it. Just like you would tie a knot. You're going to tie it like that. So it's like this. Under your hair. Okay? You're going to kind of pull that as tight as your head can take. Don't give yourself a headache. Okay? Now I'm going to lift it over my ears. And this is why I say edges don't matter really, because they're going to be exposed, but they're also going to be covered up. So this is the fun part. So now you got it tied, right? You're going to cross it over where you make an X like that. All right? Keep your head down so that you don't get any of your locks stuck in there. You're going to bring it around this part, cross it again, okay? Bring it back to the front. This ain't even. I didn't tie it even. Okay, so these, make sure these are even. And you're going to tie it again in the front. Just make another knot in the front. Boom, just like that. Just like that. And then the tails, you're just going to twist them around and tuck them in. So I'm just going to tuck it under that part. And then the other side, I done lost the other tail because it was so short. It might be already tucked. Okay. And then I kind of like, if it's too tight, I'll push it back where you can slightly see my edges. And that's pretty much it. That's literally all I do. And then I'll, you know, if I want these to hang a certain way, then I'll pull them down. And look in the mirror over here, make sure it's, yeah. And that's pretty much it. That's how I tie it. This is how the back looks. Okay, so it's real simple. It's all about tying it, making sure it's tied. Okay, here's the other part. I was wondering where it went to. So you're just gonna, basically any you're just gonna tuck it in. Okay, your hair is gonna stick up depending on how long your hair is. If your hair in the back is long enough to lay, then it'll lay. If it's gonna stick up, then it's gonna stick up in the air. Okay, I like to pull it how I want it to be. It's kind of hard to do in this camera, but I'm gonna do my best with it. But yeah, so you know, that's it. It's real simple. Simple style that I use, and I really only tie my hair with scarves 2 ways. I will tie it either up like this, which is the simplest way. I can do this style in like less than a minute. Boom, be done. Like, that's how fast you can do this style. A minute. And then the other style is where I do my edges and I'll push my hair back into a bun and I'll tie a triangular scarf over it and around the hair so my hair is still exposed. But that's really the only 2 ways that I like wearing my hair as of right now with the length that it is as far as with scarves. But there it is. This is it. So I hope this video has helped you. Give this video a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. All right. Make sure you turn on your subscribe button so you can turn on that bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload another one. All right. Thank you for watching. It's your girl Glasshouse Maya. You know nobody flyer. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Feeling like it's Sunday evening, sun going down, but ain't nobody leaving.